Okay, so this video is going to explain how to do your stats. It seems like a simple process, but sometimes we get a little confused as to how to handle stats. But all right, so first of all, we have to figure out how many employees we saw for the day. You'll notice here it says employees with deductions. Okay, what that means is we need to know how many employees actually you got a payroll deduction form. So let's say you had 4 employees that had deductions, and then let's say 10 employees were either happy with what they had or they didn't want to take advantage of the voluntary benefits. All right, so that means you had 4 with deductions and 4 who waived. That means that you saw a total of 14 employees that day. All right, so when you're going to give your stats, you want to say I had 4 takes and 10 waives. All right, now 4 deductions. So let's say one person took disability. They also took critical illness, and they took an accident plan. Okay, that was one of your takes. And let's say another person just took short-term disability, and then one person took the legal plan, and then one person took the life insurance. And then somebody came back and said that one of your 4 said, yeah, I want some life insurance as well. All right, so you had one that took this plan. You had 2 here. You had 2 here. 1 and 1. So this is what you're going to send your manager, as far as you're going to say I had 1 legal, 2 lives, 2 disabilities, 1 critical illness, and 1 accident. Now, let's say if you add up the total premium, let's say we did this weekly, okay? And this guy was $1 a week times 52 weeks. I'm only doing this to make the math easy. You have $52. All right, let's say both of these folks did $5 each, so it was 5 plus 5. That's $10 in premium. Okay, that's $520 a year, and so on and so forth. So you can add up all of these items that you had. You had 2 disabilities. Let's say they totaled $300 a year, and then you had 1 critical illness that was $100 a year, and then you had 1 accident plan, which was $52 a year. Okay, you're going to add all that up. Actually, you don't even need to add that up. When you send your stats, here's what you're going to say. Now, you could do one of 2 things. You can ask your manager maybe to print this stat page for you, and you can print however many you have, those number of days. This is what I prefer. And then just fill this out at the end of every day and give it to them. And you can actually take a picture of this whole entire screen, okay, and text it to your manager, as long as it's neat and easy to read. So in this particular, if you were to just text it to your manager, you would say I had 4 deductions, 4 takes, 10 waives. I had 1 legal plan for $52. I had 2 life plans for $520 total. I had 2 disability plans for $300. I had 1 critical illness for $100, and I had 1 accident plan for $52. That's it. That's all you have to do in order to give your stats.